This would be the thumbnail right here. Yeah, trash. You got this black part that says ear.
What you rate this shit?
Overall, man, the style.
You can wear it.
We're doing 2 giveaways, the MP6s. We're gonna start up with me. Ding ding. Hello?
Don't tell me.
That look like some one.
You know what I thought it was just Agree or disagree?
What's up, Fred family? It's your boy, Take Guy Inc.
And it's your girl, Key.
We back at it with another video, man. Before we get into this video,
Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, smash that post notification bell, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, smash it, smash it, smash it. Let's get to the video.
y'all see this little tree, man. We're gonna get that out of the way. So we got a box. As y'all can see, y'all seen the thumbnail. Air Jordan 6 single day. It's a flip over box. 6's box, but it's a little different. Gold Jumpman on top. This is a women's shoe, so it's a size 11.5, which equals the men size 10. On the side it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. So first thing I see is this wrapping paper, right? I don't know if y'all can really see the details on it.
And it's like the details on the shoes.
Y'all see all the little details on the wrapping paper. So retail on these I think were $210. So I paid about $222 for these shoes. Let's get into it. So at first, when I saw it, y'all know sneakers have a habit of making the shoe look better online. At first, when I first seen it, it was I grabbed these for myself. I only grabbed one pair. I grabbed these for myself. But after I saw like an in-hand picture, I didn't like them. So like this material, I thought it was kind of like a 3M material, like you know how the 5s is on the tongue. Like you only see all this when it's like light hitting it or light emitting on the shoe cover. I didn't think it was gonna be this bold. Like this, it's kind of like you know how like the Chinese robes is, like the little Chinese lady be. That's kind of the vibe I'm getting when I see this shoe.
I'm not messing with it.
You're not messing with it? I mean, it's a cool shoe, man. Like, and then on top of that, this little piece in the middle, I thought it was like a heart, because it's Air Jordan single day. I thought it was like a heart with the little Jumpman hanging off, which is like the best detail on the shoe, because the whole shoe is like pretty much the same thing. But it's not bad. I definitely say this is definitely a women's shoe. Like a lot of women's shoe is kind of like counteractive, like men can wear it and men can style it. But this is like, I mean, men can still wear it, but it's just like for me, this is like a kid's women type shoe. I don't really like it.
And then it got like flowers and stuff.
I mean, it's not a flower. It's just I'm getting China woman vibe. Let me know in the comments what kind of vibe y'all getting, man. I don't know.
Y'all comment down below, cop or drop?
Cop or drop, y'all. It's supposed to be a cop, but it's definitely gonna be a drop. So somebody's supposed to be hitting me up. I don't even want much. I don't even think they're going for much. They're going for like $260. So I really just want what I paid for them. I'll probably try to get like $240 to make like $20. But I don't want nothing crazy, man. We're gonna start off at the sole. Let's talk about the shoe. One thing I do, second thing I like about the shoe, man, the bottom. It's like a smoke gray, smoked out bottom. You got a black Jumpman. It's not an icy bottom, so you don't gotta worry about the shoe getting dirty. It's like a smoke blue, smoke gray kind of. Yeah, it's a blue. It's like a blue tint. I like it. That's probably the only.
Is
second thing I like about the shoe. I mean, it'll get dirty. The bottom will get dirty, but it won't get yellow. It just get a little.
That's what I was talking about. Yellow.
Yeah, it won't get yellow. Moving on to the midsole. Let's see. I don't know what kind of material this is. I'll say it's the same regular midsole, but it's kind of like they stitched this same material over the midsole. That's what it looks like and what it feels like. And that's going all the way around throughout the shoe. They could have just did that black or something.
Yeah, they
made it a different material because they made the 23. Cause this is the 2 right here and the 3. If y'all didn't know that. I think it's something like that. 23. It should be. I can't remember. I think
it's 23.
It's somewhere 23 in there somewhere. Yeah, it's just weird, man. It's just a weird vibe. Moving on to the toe, it's the same pattern going all throughout the shoe, man. And it's like China woman vibe. On the back, it's a black jump, man. You can't really see that towards the heel tab, and then it's that smoked black or smoked blue, like she said.
They
kind of
put
tint on the back. Burgundy, yeah, they definitely should have did more burgundy hits. They could have did burgundy on the midsole too, or just something, man. Like
the pots in the inside.
Yeah,
man.
They could have did more. They definitely could have did more, and they definitely could have gave us more towards the box for 220. I mean, I guess for 210, it's from the material that they use. Like I said, I don't know. I don't like this shoe at all, man. I don't. In the picture that I seen, like I really thought I was gonna be able to style them. I thought it was a cool shoe. It was gonna be like a nice personal pickup, but I'll say like this shoe is like a 3 out of 10 for me, man.
Ooh.
3 out of 10. The only thing I like is the jump, man, but I don't even like where they placed it. The Jordan hang tag, like it should have been like
what is
a little bit higher. Yeah, I don't really like it. I mean, you can move it as you can see. Let me unclip this for y'all. I'm gonna unclip this real quick.
I really don't even like the burgundy part. Like what is
here? Let's see how that looks. So that looks a little bit better if you move the clip, the jump man, and then put it a little higher.
Oh yeah.
But then it's looking stupid down here. But I don't know. Just let me know in the comments if y'all rocking with these.
Copper drop.
Copper drop.
I rate the shoe.
What you rolling with, babe?
I give it a 3.
3.
3.
Same here. 3 out of 10, man. That's how we feeling.
It's a drop.
Like, what is this in the middle? This gotta be like some China vibe. I don't know. Like, I really
it's
don't know.
knitting. Like people that be knitting this.
Yeah, that's what I don't know, man. It's just weird, man. It's a weird shoe.
They was trying to be too different with this shoe. Like this is too different.
And this shoe did sell out, so.
They did?
Yes, it definitely sold out. A lot of shoes, everything been selling out recently, but the mids, the gold and white mids even sold out, so everything been selling out, man. A lot of trash shoes been selling out. People just trying to move them, but that's pretty much it. You got a little mini pacifier right here. It's black with the same smoke blue tint on it. Then you got your little holes right here on the tongue, kind of like the bull's nose. How you can just grab that, like you put the holes, put your fingers through it. That's pretty much it. I don't see nothing spectacular about this shoe. If you didn't grab the shoe, unless you really, really like the style, you know what I'm saying, you want to be different or this is your style, definitely don't pay resale for this, man. Wait until they go on sale or I don't know, you find somebody desperate trying to get them. But Air Jordan 6 single day, 3 out of 10 for me, drop for me after I cop. Definitely gotta get these out of here.
They gotta go.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Make sure you guys, I said a 3 out of 10 for me.
3 out of 10, man. They going back in the box. This will be the thumbnail right here. Yeah, trash. But yeah, I gotta go and make a quick sale. I'm about to head out. She'll finish the video off for y'all real quick.
Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, smash the notification bell, smash the like button. Make sure y'all watching these ads, don't skip